I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I did it again. So I ended up breaking my nail for the second time, the exact same nail. I hit it on the wall. This time it broke a lot worse than the first time. First time it was just a little crack on free edge, easy fix. Now it's way down here on my nail bed. So definitely can't fix it how I fixed it last time. And so thanks to my lovely nail sister, Nails by E, she sent me a video from 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐲 where I think it was Greg. I don't be following 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐲 like that. So I think the person that was talking was Greg. Greg Russia. Him. Greg. There's the one. About how to fix it. Because they be doing Q&As on their channel. Somebody asked the question that if your nail break below, like on the nail bed, how do you correct that? And he just simply said, file down. You don't have to file down all the product, but file it down enough that you can layer it with, well, he said fiber gel, and I think that's their fiber gel that they have, until it grows out. So what I'm going to do is attempt to file this down a little bit, do a little prep work, because I do need a feel on this hand, and hopefully this will work, at least until it grows out, because it really hurts. So I'm gonna try to be as gentle as I can. This is why I be cutting, because they be breaking. I haven't had a nail break this bad that hurts in a long time. So I am using my, what's this thing? And then it's on my dominant hand, of course. I don't know how this gonna work, because the way I filed this hand, I'm afraid. I'm afraid this is going to be painful, and I don't like pain. I'm so scared. I am barely. So I'm attempting to at least balance the nail on my thumb, so it's at least not bending down. And I do have the drill on 15, now 17. I just turned it up on 17 RPMs. And here I'm just trying to debulk it as much as possible. So I'm just going to file this down. I'm not going to take off all of the product, but I do have a lot of chipping over in the corner. And so I am going to try to take a little bit off that area, just so I won't have any lifting when I do the fill. And as you can see, I am not putting a lot of pressure on this nail. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, not only because it hurts if I put pressure on it. So I'm trying to avoid as much pain as possible. Well, my first crack is hanging on there pretty strong. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right there. That's where the first seal that I did on this nail. This is how far, and I'm pretty close to the nail bed compared to the thickness of the other ones. Well, you can't really tell. They wasn't really there. So, thinking should I go down just a little bit more? Yeah, I'm gonna do just a little bit more. So now after I've taken it down just a little bit more, I'm just going in with this cuticle pusher to push back that cuticle off of the nail bed. And I'm going in with this cuticle bit to get some of that dead skin off of the nail bed as well. That way when I go ahead and do my fill, I won't have to worry about any lifting. And right now my e-file is currently set at 5 RPMs. I don't know how well this is going to hold up, but I am willing to take a chance because the way it is now, I don't like it. It's just gonna get worse. The plus thing about it that it don't burn when I put alcohol or soap or water on it. So that's the plus. I at least waited to that. I waited until the burn stopped happening. Because for a while, if I put anything on it, water, well, not necessarily water by itself, but alcohol or soap on it, it will burn. So I at least waited until that stopped happening before I did anything with it. So I'm going in with the base gel. And I should have did research because I don't know if their fiber gel is the equivalent of their builder gel or heart gel. I don't know if Young Nails sell heart gel. At least not that I know of. I know they sell like the fiber gel and the synergy gel. But I believe all of those, is this not builder gel? Yep. I believe all of those are soak-offs, not necessarily hard gel. So if I'm supposed to be using hard gel and not builder gel, oops, my bad. I used builder gel and it worked well. As of right now, it's been a few days since I've done this repair and it is holding on great. So builder gel do work. If you don't have hard gel, I used builder gel and it worked fine. So that's number one. I am going in with 5 layers. So I probably speed this part up because I should do 6 for extra measures. should do 7. Yeah. And this is how I build up my nail. I don't do the floating method. That don't work for me. So we're just going to layer it up. We're just going to layer it up. So I did end up going in with 6 layers. I did cut some of those out. I think I only showed 2 on camera. because I pretty much did the same thing. So there's no need for you to sit here 6 times and watch me repeat the same steps. So this will be the last one that I show on camera, and I pretty much do the same thing 6 times just so I can build up the thickness and give that nail as much support as possible. So this is what the nail is looking like. So here I'm going in with some swipe, and I'm going to get that tacky sticky layer off so I can go in and do a little bit of filing just to make sure these nails are flat and even all around. And this is a 180 sanding band, and again, I'm not doing any debulking. I'm just making sure that if there are any lumps or unevenness in the nail, that I'm making it as flush and flat as possible so there is no divots in the nail. And then I'm going to go in with some top coat. So this is what the nail is looking like. Give you some side angles. You can put a little bit, just a little bit of pressure on it, and it don't hurt as much. So I feel that it does have some stability to it, because prior to me doing this, if I pinched it this way, put pressure on it this way, or even touched it from the bottom, I was in excruciating pain. However, I can put just a little bit. I'm not going to test the pressureness, but I can at least put more pressure on it, and it's not hurting as much. So hopefully this at least works until it grows out to the free edge, so I can see how bad the crack is and see if it's repairable, or do I have to simply cut it off. But for now, we're going to see how well this method that Greg from Young Nails advice on how to fix a crack that is on the nail bed. So for right now, this is what we got. I truly appreciate you for watching this video. Hopefully you find it helpful. Again, I'm not a nail tech. Take my advice. Don't take my advice literally. Don't be doing what I say do. I only do what's best for me and my nails. Will it work? Hopefully. But I truly, truly, truly appreciate you sticking it out and watching this video. If you are new to my channel and you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. And until the next time, bye-bye.
What a wonderful world.